Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to turn off the Start app when you sign in feature on WhatsApp Web for PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening WhatsApp Web on your PC. Step 2. Once you're logged into WhatsApp Web, look for the web address in the browser's address bar. Next to it, you'll find a small icon. Click on it to view site information. Step 3. In the site information window, locate and click on the Settings option. This will open the Settings menu for WhatsApp Web. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, find the option that says Start app when you sign in, and make sure it is turned off. This will prevent the WhatsApp app from automatically launching whenever you sign into WhatsApp Web. By following these 4 simple steps, you can easily turn off the Start app when you sign in feature on WhatsApp Web for PC. This can be useful if you prefer not to have the app automatically open every time you log in. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.